Introducing Project Designer. Project Designer lets anyone easily configure and automate control of any device in the room, including audio, video, climate, lighting, and more. Best of all, there's no programming or code writing required. Drag and drop simplicity eliminates the complexity associated with traditional control system design. In just 4 easy steps, Project Designer guides you through the control system configuration. Step 1. Select devices and drop them into your system. Step 2. Design the interface. Step 3. Assign the user interface's control functions. Step 4. Upload the system configuration. And that's it. Users can now take advantage of the intuitive, customized control system you configured in a fraction of the time that other platforms require. Project Designer from Biamp greatly simplifies control system design and configuration, helping you quickly create extraordinary experiences for rooms of all sizes.